Hey there DIY enthusiasts. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your bathroom with the magic of homemade toilet bombs using essential oils. These little gems are not only super easy to make, but they also leave your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a natural, cost-effective solution. First off, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of citric acid, half a cup of cornstarch, and your favorite essential oils. I love using a mix of lavender and tea tree oil for their antibacterial properties and calming scents. You'll also need a spray bottle with water, a bowl, a silicone mold, and some gloves. Alright, let's get started. In your bowl, combine the baking soda, citric acid, and cornstarch. Give it a good mix until everything is well blended. Now, this is where the magic happens. Add 15 to 20 drops of your chosen essential oils to the dry mixture. Mix it thoroughly, making sure the oils are evenly distributed. The scent is already so refreshing. Next, grab your spray bottle and lightly mist the mixture with water. Be careful not to add too much water at once. You want the mixture to be damp enough to hold its shape but not too wet. Think of it like wet sand. When the consistency is just right, it's time to fill your silicone mold. Pack the mixture firmly into the mold, pressing it down to ensure there are no air pockets. Once all the molds are filled, let them sit for at least 4 hours or overnight to dry completely. Patience is key here. Once they're dry, pop them out of the mold and store them in an airtight container. Now, every time you need to freshen up your toilet, just drop one of these bombs into the bowl and watch it fizz away, leaving a clean, fragrant bathroom. And there you have it. Homemade toilet bombs that are eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and oh so effective. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.